Namaste India. Welcome to the future of bold, the future of play, the future of Lava. Over the past 1 year, Lava has become one of the fastest growing smartphone brands in India. And इस achievement के लिए we would like to thank you all. आपके support के बिना ये मुमकिन नहीं था. Not just that, पिछले साल Lava ने किए कई सारे segment first and industry first innovations. We introduced India's first dual display smartphone Agni 3, India's first curved AMOLED display under 15,000 Blaze X, and our very first Snapdragon smartphone Lava Blaze Dragon. ये तो रही फीचर्स की बात. Lava इंश्योर करता है आपको मिले बेस्ट इन क्लास फीचर्स के साथ साथ बेस्ट इन क्लास यूजर एक्सपीरियंस भी. इसलिए Lava offers you a clean Android experience. No bloatware, no ads, no distractions. So you decide what you see on your screen and not us. Now let's talk about after sales experience. We offer 24/7 customer service support. Lava में हम मानते हैं अगर आपके फोन में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो आपकी नहीं हमारी प्रॉब्लम है. इसलिए Lava is the first and the only brand to offer free service at home so that you get your phone repaired at your doorstep. Our quality ratings have risen to be amongst the best in the country, and our cameras are now rated amongst the best in the segment. That's how we have been leveling up Lava, and now it's time to level up your play. Introducing Lava's first ever gaming smartphone and the start of a brand new series, Play, that has been designed keeping you gamers in mind.
Introducing Play Ultra 5G.
Oh my God. Superb. Game over.
Introducing Lava Play Ultra 5G. Designed by gamers for gamers. Every detail in this phone is engineered for perfection to deliver an outstanding gaming experience. ये फ़ोन आता है MediaTek के very powerful 4 nanometer octa-core Dimensity 7300 प्रोसेसर के साथ, which is backed by their proprietary Hyper Engine technology, जिससे कि आपको 20% FPS boost मिलता है और 20% even power consumption भी lower होता है. On top of it, this phone packs UFS 3.1, जिससे आपको मिलता है ultra fast game load times, quick texture rendering और very smooth transitions. इसके अलावा हमने इसके सॉफ्टवेयर ऑप्टिमाइजेशन और हीटिंग परफॉर्मेंस पे भी खास ध्यान दिया है, जिसके वजह से ये फ़ोन डिलीवर करता है मोर देन 7 लाख स्कोर ऑन AnTuTu बेंचमार्किंग टेस्ट्स. ये हो गई इस फ़ोन के परफॉर्मेंस की बात. अब करते हैं लावा प्ले अल्ट्रा 5G के डिस्प्ले की बात. लावा प्ले अल्ट्रा 5G comes with 120 Hz flat AMOLED display with 100% DCI P3 color gamut, Widevine L1 support for Netflix HDR content, 10-finger multi-touch support and superior oleophobic coating. 120 Hz for that makhan jaisa smoothness. Flat display for that precise touch input. आप ही ने कहा था कि गेमिंग करते टाइम कर्व डिस्प्ले नॉट सो गुड, तो हमने कर दिया इसको फ्लैट. वी हैव AMOLED डिस्प्ले फॉर दो स्टनिंग विजुअल्स एंड क्रिस्प कलर्स. अब जितने भी मोबा गेमर्स हैं उनके एनिमीज अब उनसे छुप ही नहीं सकते, बच ही नहीं सकते. प्ले अल्ट्रा 5G में आता है डेडिकेटेड गेम बूस्टर मोड, जो आपके फ़ोन के CPU, GPU और नेटवर्क परफॉर्मेंस को ऑप्टिमाइज करता है ड्यूरिंग गेम प्ले, ताकि आपका परफॉर्मेंस हो सकता है एक लेवल अप. और अगर कुछ चाहिए सोने पे सुहागा, तो दिस फोन ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ 3.5 mm ऑडियो जैक, so that you can use your wired earphones for that latency-free gaming experience. We believe gamers are also creators. That's why we have worked very hard on this phone's camera optimization. Lava Play Ultra 5G आता है 64 megapixel rear camera with Sony IMX682 sensor, along with 4K at 30 FPS video recording support. ये फ़ोन में 5 megapixel का एक मैक्रो लेंस भी है और एक 13 megapixel का सेल्फी शूटर. This phone has many interesting camera modes and one such mode is dual view video mode, जिससे कि आप अपने फ्रंट और रियर कैमरा बोथ कैमरा के साथ साइमल्टेनियसली वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हैं। Lava Play Ultra 5G comes with clean Android 15 out of the box, जिसका मतलब है no bloatware, no ads. It also comes with inbuilt Gemini AI. The phone also packs in support for all Indian 5G bands. On top of it, the phone promises 2 years of Android OS upgrades and 3 years of security patch updates. इसके साथ साथ सारे customers को मिलता है free service at home. Lava Play Ultra 5G comes with 5000 mAh battery and 33 watt fast charging support. इसके internal tests में हमने पाया है कि this phone can give up to 11 hours of YouTube playback time. Play Ultra 5G आता है clean Android 15 experience के साथ, which means no bloatware, no ads. It also comes with an inbuilt Gemini AI. The phone also comes with support for all Indian 5G bands. इसके साथ हम promise करते हैं that this phone will get 2 years of Android OS upgrades and 3 years of security patch updates. और इतना ही नहीं, this phone will also provide free service at home. Hema, now we come to the most exciting part of the event, the price reveal. Lava Play Ultra 5G comes in 2 variants, 6128GB and 8128GB.
6128GB is priced at 14,999, but it comes with a special introductory bank offer of 1,000 rupees. So you can get it at just 13,999.
And the 8128GB variant comes at 16,499, but with an introductory bank offer of 1,000 rupees, you can get it at only 15,499.
Sale will go live on 25th of August at 12 p.m. only on Amazon.